Hello friends, welcome. So in the previous video we worked with a state. When we click to the button we update the state and also we change the DOM here, so we re-render that paragraph. On click we say this set state, the movie name to this one. So if I add another property now here in this state, so let's say I'm going to add the year to be 2020 for example. And let's display that year here. So in the single curly braces, this dot state dot year. Save, and yeah, here it is. Now if I click, we updating only the name, movie name. Now this set state is going to merge the state. So we have here a movie name and it's going to update only the movie name. Okay, so what this state does is going to merge the state with what we added here, the movie name. Okay, now let's say I have many favorites movies, not only one, and I'm going to add an array of movies. So I'm going to say movies, an array with object which has the name to be, this one is going to be fast 9. And also let's add the year. So let's add the year to be, for this one is going to be 2020. And duplicate this one. This is going to be fast 10 and 2022, 2023, and this is going to be fast 11. Now how we can display them here? It's very easy, just say in this state and get the first movies here. So let's say movies, the first array in the movie. So the movies 0 dot name, and the same thing for the year, state dot movies, grab the first one, the year, save, come here, and we have my favorite movie is Fast 9. Let's remove this button. I'm going to leave only one button, and let's display also the others. So let's copy, paste it here, and this is going to be the second one, second movie, and this is going to be the third movie. Save, come here, and yeah, my favorite movie is Fast 9, 2020, Fast 10, 2022, and Fast 11, 2023. Now, if I want to change, nothing happened right now because we say this set state, movie name, and this set state is going to merge with this one. So we don't have any key with movie name. It's not going to do anything, nothing. How we can update? We can say here now we have an array of movies and we want to update the first movie, for example, only this Fast 9 to be Fast 12. And I'm going to say movies, which is an array, and I'm going to copy all the object because I want to update only the first one, so the other is going to remain the same. And this Fast 9 is going to be Fast 12 and the year 2025. If I save and come here and refresh, if I click here now, you can see it's going to update this one and the others is going to remain the same. Click here, yeah, Fast 12, 2025. So this is how we can work with arrays here and display them and also update the state. Okay friends, so that's it about this video. I hope you understand, and if you like a content like this, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like the video. See you in the next one.